Hi everyone, back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can easily create the 3D zoom effect in CapCut. So first, you can just start by simply adding a photo to CapCut, but you can always add more than one photos. And after that, just click on the photos, go to style, and then here just swipe until you find the 3D option. You can use the 3D zoom or the original 3D zoom, or you can also use the 3D zoom pro. I'm going to just use the pro one. Okay, so this is the result. Just click on the check icon, and to make it looks more interesting, you can also add this video's effect. Go to the click on the nightclub and then find the strobe effect, so this one, and you are done with the 3D zoom effects for your photos. Here is the final result. Okay, so that's all for me. If you think this video is helpful, remember to click thanks or like this video, comment, and also subscribe. I'll see you all on the next videos. Bye.